Hey guys, Jeff Cheesehead Flipper here. So today I want to make a really short video talking about one little thing, how don't get discouraged online if you see these people that show photos showing stacks and stacks and stacks of things that they sold in their shipping today. You don't know their business, you don't know their business policies, you don't even know their profits. Maybe they ship 1 day a week and that's their entire week load. Maybe they have an operation 40 times the size of yours, but they're not selling 40 times the product. Maybe their profit margin is only $2 or $3 per item. So today, I'm sending out 2 items. 2 little items. That's it. Am I upset about it? Nope. Those are 2 sales. And guess what? Those little 2 items, just these 2 little items are $60 in profit. So you don't need a huge stack to have an okay day. Now, if I was full-time, I might not be okay with only, 2 items going at $60. As a part-timer, that's decent. I have about 350 active listings on eBay, about 1,500 products total, because I really like those monthly quantity listings. I might try to put a little link up here to talking about that if I remember. But the whole point is, don't get discouraged by what other people are doing. Don't focus on what they are doing. Focus on what you are doing. What is your business doing? What they're doing, that's irrelevant to you. Yeah, you can learn from them. Maybe you can achieve, you can aspire to, build up to that. Don't let that get discouraging. Use it for motivation, or just be like, hey, congrats, Matt, good job. Then go back to your business. Doesn't matter what they do. You do you in your business. Plus, I kind of want to try out this new phone, see how it's, I have a crazy hair thing going on. But anyways, I also want to try out this new phone I got. Yeah, I no longer have my antiquated, Galaxy S7 phone because I dropped it and it cracked and it started doing things on its own, which wasn't good. Because you can't source when you can't look things up on your phone. So I upgraded to not the latest and greatest because I don't pay that sucker tax of buying, the new fancy thing to keep up with the Joneses. I bought a Galaxy S10 Plus for like $300. Brand new one. Yeah, not too bad. I'm not paying $1,000 to $1,500 for a stupid phone. Are you kidding? I'm a reseller. I don't buy new is the sucker tax. So anyways, how are you guys doing? How are your sales doing? I know it's getting the summertime. Our sales will most likely slow down a little bit here. But it is also the pandemic, so all previous formulas are out the window. So just keep on listing, keep on selling, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.